So in this question, we're asked to combine these three terms into a single fraction. So it gives us a clue there, x squared minus 9. If we multiply x minus 3 times x plus 3, I hope you'd know that that would produce the difference of squares, which is x minus 9. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get a common denominator, and we're going to make the common denominator x minus 3 brackets x plus 3. And then I'm going to write a big fraction line. So the first term, this is going to be, imagine this is 2 over 1. What do I multiply 1 by to make the denominator? I multiply it by x minus 3, x plus 3. So here I'm going to get 2 brackets, x minus 3, x plus 3. Then the next one, I've got a minus sign. What do I multiply x minus 3 by to make this? I multiply it by x plus 3. So I'm going to have x plus 2, x plus 3, close bracket. Then I've got another minus sign here, minus. What do I multiply x plus 3 by to make the common denominator? I multiply it by x minus 3. So I've got x minus 3 times x minus 6. Then we're going to multiply out that top line. So first set of brackets, I'm going to write 2, and then I'm going to multiply this set of brackets first. X times x, x squared, and I've got plus 3x, and then the middle one, minus 3x, minus 3 times plus 3 is minus 9. If you notice here, the plus 3x and the minus 3x cancel each other out. Then I've got minus, I'll put another set of brackets, multiply the x plus 2 times x plus 3. So we get x squared, and then the ends, plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. And then I've got minus, I'm going to multiply these last pair of brackets out. So I've got x squared, I would have minus 6x, minus 3x, and finally the end plus 18. And that's all over. Now if I multiply this out on the bottom, I get x squared plus 3x minus 3x minus 9. And if you notice, the plus 3x and the minus 3x cancel to give us the x squared minus 9 that we need in our answer. So now we've just got to carry on. We're going to multiply out and collect terms together. So what have we got here? We've got 2 times x squared, so we've got 2x squared. 2 times minus 9 is minus 18. Then let's work out. I'm just going to put a minus sign and keep all these brackets together. I'm going to have x squared plus 5x plus 6 in that middle bracket. And then in the final bracket, I'm going to have x squared minus 6x minus 3x is minus 9x plus 18. And that's going to be all over x squared minus 9. Now we've just got to be careful adding all these together on the top. So let's do the x squareds to start. I've got 2x squared, but then I've got minus x squared there. So 2x squared minus x squared gives x squared, minus another x squared, so all the x squareds have disappeared, which is what we want for the answer as well. So then that, and that have gone. Now let's do the numbers. I'm going to write out minus 18, and then I've got minus 6, because I've got minus plus 6, so I've got minus 6, and then from this one here, minus plus 18 is a minus 18. Let's do the x's that I can see. I've got a minus plus 5x, which is a minus 5x, and I've got a minus 9x, which is a plus 9x. And then that's all over x squared minus 9. Last step then now, equals, let's collect our x's together. We've got 9x minus 5x, so we've got 4x, and the minus 18, minus 6 is minus 24, minus 18 is going to give us minus 42 all over x squared minus 9. So the final bit to put it in the question, what's the number in front of x? It's 4, so that's our A, and B is going to be minus 42.